Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love read now. Love bite now. And these are general collective readings. Why I said love bite is because it's going to be a mini reading. Oh, World and the Two of Wands. Wanted to flip out even before I started the reading. So somebody is making a decision to end something. We start something new. Let's see. Let's put these two cards here. They must be wanting to say something. Came out that strong. And like I said, these are general collective readings. Will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you. Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So welcome back Capricorn, my old subscribers, and if you're new here, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. King of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Cups in reverse, the Lovers in reverse, Five of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, Six of Swords in reverse, the Fool upright, and the Queen of Wands upright, and the Four of Pentacles upright. All right, I get the story already. Knight of Swords upright under my deck, which is the overall energy. Probably a fight here. There's been some kind of an argument or a fight, or is going to be, I don't know, because of a decision which is either getting made in favor of this connection or against. Okay, somebody needed to make a decision or has to make a decision. Somebody, I think okay, so from what I'm getting, this King of Pentacles is in reverse because they are not bringing anything stable to this connection. Maybe they have money troubles maybe, or they're busy with their work, or which is, taking up all their attention. And the choice or decision that they are making is actually not in favor of the connection. They're going in a totally wrong direction here. Either they are leaving their partner out in the cold, or they're leaving this full connection out in the cold. Whereas I see this feminine is ready to say, hey, I'm taking a fresh leap of faith with or without you. I'm confident, I'm strong, I am, I'm beautiful, and I am going to hold back from you if this is the kind of behavior or this is the kind of decision that you are making. So yes, maybe somebody is making a decision to end something and start something new elsewhere. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. I will clarify all these cards here, Capricorn. Let's see if you could say something to each other, what that would be first. Capricorn and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more from here. Capricorn and their person. Capricorn and their person, spirit. And a couple more from here, Capricorn. Okay. All right, good to go. Let's start your reading, Capricorn. The first card here says, I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try and warn you about the fake people with bad intentions who are out to manipulate you and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, when your intentions don't align with your actions, I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. Maybe that's what the fight's been all about. That if you're going to be ungrounded and you're never going to bring stability to this connection, if there's no working together, then I might as well not work with you. I get so effing jealous knowing you're in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same way. I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you right now. So this is that King of Pentacles. I think they are still very into their money. Maybe they have problems at work. Their finances are not that great to be able to make a decision. They know they're not ready for this beautiful Queen of Wands yet. I think of you before I sleep. I dream of you all night, and I wake up to think of you again. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. So a lot of imagination, a lot of dreaming going on, but somebody just not coming forward because maybe they don't feel they're ready. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in dreams. I long to talk with you again. Again, another reference to a person not really coming forward but fantasizing and dreaming and wanting. But I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we have a romantic and a sexual relationship. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by my status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? I will wait for you as long as I have to. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Yes, I do see somebody now wanting to get out, start something new, maybe somewhere else, and holding back. So let's start clarifying these cards, Capricorn. But before that, I'm going to take one angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you, Capricorn. Emotions. Yes. With all this fighting and feeling left out in the cold, things are going a wrong direction. There are bound to be very deep emotions now which are bubbling up and maybe making one or both of you react here. So let's see. King of Pentacles spirit in reverse. Who's the King of Pentacles in reverse? King of Pentacles in reverse is clarified by the Emperor in reverse. So they were trying to be a bit of a dictator, trying to be the emperor they were not feeling. Like sometimes you don't feel good enough, you pretend to be, so that the other person will not judge them or they can get away with it. Excuse me, something got stuck in my throat. Yes, the Emperor in reverse is somebody who's trying to be a dictator, trying to say it's my way or the highway. Even though they know they don't have the power, they try and pretend to be. Especially when they are sitting in an energy of the King of Pentacles in reverse, this is all pretense. And that actually can irritate the other person, because why would you want to do this? Why can't you be authentic? So what's this Three of Pentacles in reverse? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Sideways. Three of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Yes, certain things have come out now. Certain secrets have been revealed where some sort of clarity has come about somebody's lying, cheating behavior, or maybe a third party here. Something has been revealed here which has forced the other person now to make a decision. Lovers in reverse. What's the Spirit? Not to move forward, even though there was so much love here. Somebody is making a decision to bring a close to this chapter, even though they feel a lot of love in their heart. Why? Because I think they've always made to feel left out and abandoned. Whatever secrets have come out now has felt like a tower moment, I think, to this feminine. Something has been revealed about this King of Pentacles and this Emperor, whoever this person is. Certain things have now been revealed. Could be about a third party or something, I don't know, which has, even though the love is being felt even now. Somebody said, enough, I can't deal with that anymore. This has been like a tower moment, which has made this feminine feel that I have to make a decision. Yes, they've been knocked off their throne, literally, by whatever information they've realized or received, or whatever fight has happened. Maybe some harsh words have been spoken. Something has happened here which is forcing this Empress now to not want to grow with this Emperor in reverse. Now I have an Emperor in reverse and I have an Empress in reverse. So what's this decision, Spirit? Two of Swords in reverse. What's this decision? Not to fight for this connection anymore. Even though it feels like a soulmate connection. The love is felt, both of you know. I think this is a very strong connection. When we are together, we feel very good with each other, but is it worth fighting for? Is it time to say goodbye because of everything that's happened now with this tower? Six of Swords in reverse. Six of Swords in reverse. Somebody was hoping for a brand new beginning, a fresh new start with their partner, but instead of that, I think this King of Pentacles, yes, I knew it. This King of Pentacles was hiding their emotions. They were not putting their cards on the table. They were just hiding behind maybe money or work or something like that. Never really revealed their heart to this Empress, and held back all their emotions. Even though there was a potential of a brand new beginning, somebody wanted it, but now this connection has gone a totally different direction. Now, why this King of Pentacles has done this, I don't know. Maybe they were having problems with money. Maybe they were having problems with their work. Maybe they just wanted to control this Empress and, feel like the boss. Anything. Or maybe they had somebody on the side, I don't know. So this person held back, and this brand new beginning is now in jeopardy because this Queen of Wands is saying, enough, I'm going off for a fresh new beginning. I know I'm worth it. I know I can turn heads wherever I go. If you're going to hold back, I'm casting judgment on you now. I'm passing judgment on you now. I don't want a second chance with you anymore if you're going to behave this way. And yes, I can move towards brand new love. I have a lot of suitors who could be interested in a Queen of Wands. This person is beautiful, sexy. They turn heads. They walk into a room and everybody turns to look at them and say, wow, who's that? So this Queen of Wands is very confident. They know they can immediately go off and, find new love somewhere else, because they want an emotional interaction. They don't want somebody who wants always playing mind games and hiding behind work and money and never showing their emotions. So this Queen of Wands is moving on towards maybe finding somebody new. Queen of Wands, Spirit. Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. Yes, they want a connection where they will feel stable, where they will be respected, where they will be made to feel like honored. They want to be like the chosen one, not one of the options. They want somebody who's going to actually respect them and not say, okay, you're one of my 7 options. This is what this Queen of Wands is looking for, a new love or an emotional love who's going to choose this one cup. Give them one cup and choose them. So that's the reason this Queen of Wands is, I think, planning to hold back from this connection now. Yes, they're putting an end to indecision. This Queen of Wands has decided, now I'm going to hold back. Anyone who's going to keep me, not decide on me, I'll decide for them. I'll put a halt to this connection. Anything else, Spirit, for Capricorn? One more card. Anything else Capricorn needs to know? So Capricorn, this could be you. This Queen of Wands could be you, or you could be this King of Pentacles. I don't know. So you would know your own stories. Yes, I think this whoever this Queen of Wands has been has always been made to feel small in this relationship, and they are off for a brand new start. Whereas the King of Pentacles, I think, who is has been trying to, play all these mind games, who's been trying to feel like the boss or whatever, they're going to be feeling like the loser now. Heart of Hearts, I think even this person has a lot of passion for this Queen of Wands, but this kind of behavior has put them on the blacklist now. So, yes, somebody has to make a decision or is making a decision not to be indecisive anymore and wrap up a cycle and start a brand new one. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. Hope it worked for you. And I'll see you next time then. Till love and light. Till then, namaste.